want to show you why I recommend you to paint the service cable that you see here, that is coming from the pole. That is the electric pole. So it comes all the way like that, and this looks decent. But the one that you see in the neighbor here, it looks very bad. So I'm going to show you closely so that way you can see. As you can see, so this is the cable. It's coming from the pole, like I said before. So it goes all here, and that part, that goes under the roof is good. But here is going everything where it's receiving the sunlight is going to getting destroyed. So you have to paint it before it turns like that. Otherwise, if you want maybe like a quick fix or something like that, maybe you can remove the staples and put some like special tape so that way it will not keep degrading. Otherwise, you will have to replace it. But if you paint it, in advance, you're not going to have this issue that you see here, and you're going to spend maybe here like $2,000 just to pay an electrician to replace that easily. So if you can avoid that, that will be your best bet. Otherwise, when you want to sell the house, you're going to have this issue, and they're not going to buy the house if it's like that, or they're going to deduct it from the payment, from the price of the house. Okay, here I went to another customer. As you can see, the electric meter box is getting bad, is getting all rusted. And as you can see, the service cable that you see here, you see all the sheathing out is getting destroyed by the sun. As you can see up there, it's looking a little bit better than here, but it's very bad. So if you paint the service cable, every maybe 8 years or something like that, and you keep, a good fresh paint, so that way the sun will not destroy the sheathing. It will stay forever. I mean, as soon as you paint it, as soon as you keep painting it over time, everything is going to be good. Otherwise, doing something like that is going to be very costly, and you will have to get the permit from Duke, to get this replaced. It's going to be very expensive. So what I recommend in these cases, I mean, if you want to keep the cable, like I said before, maybe you can put some protection, like a fusion tape, or you have to replace it. But if you have a cable that is in good shape, I would recommend it just to paint it, or to put some fusion tape around it, so that way it will last for very, very long time.